Yo, go over some. Go over some, man. Yo, go along, man. You just come waste man time, brethren. Go over some.
I'm tired. Hello. Wait, how me never see you this morning?
Did I look for you, but I never see you?
I wake up kind of late. But I come out the road. I want to talk to you.
Place at for you, man.
I want to talk to you, but I said.
What you want to talk to me about now?
Hold on. Oh God, I should have carried one bottle of water with me. Anyway, I pass on the back road. And it is a disgrace. It is so disgusting to see how the people them throw the garbage all over the place.
What a
is
that?
left to right. It is not right.
You know right, a nastiness that, and this is a scheme.
Hold on. We the people of this community need to get together.
True.
And keep the place clean. We don't need to depend on no government.
True.
You understand me?
Facts.
Because if we are going to depend on government, it's going to get worse because they are going to say they are coming. I'm not saying they are not coming, but they are going to come too late. That time, drunker come down and fly down. Fly, cockroach, rat. All kind of nastiness going on by this. So even dog, you know, say even the dog them take out the garbage and have them from one side of the road to the other side of the road. Supposed to see the road. A matter of fact, you must see it because you drag certain times so early in the morning.
No, sir, I not drag go that side. I always drag go that side. There.
Anyway, if you think a lie, let me show you it because me video it. Look, let me show you it. Me video it. Look.
That's nastiness.
Look on it good. Look. You see that?
I say I agree with you, but you see, if the rubbish truck was coming here often, them would throw rubbish out there.
Well, I am not saying you're wrong.
True.
But not because the garbage truck don't come on time, that means that we have a right to mess up the place. This is our country. We need to keep Jamaica clean. We don't need to wait until no garbage truck come to clean up the place. We can put it together and when the garbage truck come, the garbage truck take it up and bring it where it's supposed to go. You understand?
That's true.
Anyway, as a JP, I am planning to do a WhatsApp group. I would love everybody in the community to add to that group.
Like a broadcasting group.
Right there, so.
You can add me in the group, as one of the first group member. Just add me. I have my number. When you make the group, you just add me.
Okay. And if you know anybody else in the community who are interested, you can give them my number.
I can ask my neighbors because there are a lot of people who live in the apartment. We can get them number and let you add them.
Okay, no problem. Because I need to form a group.
I hope them not come send no dance flyers in the group and them something.
No,
Because the group is not about that.
that is not a part of it. We need, and we have other things to deal with too in the group. We are going to deal with so many matters in the group,
Yeah.
not only the garbage. You understand?
True.
Yes, so please do so. Thank you. And I'll talk to you soon, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Later.
May I come go up go bed too, because right now I feel hot and tormented.
All right, so little more.
All right.
Excuse me, Mr. Brown. Good evening.
Oh, hello, Miss Taylor.
Can I have a few minutes of your time, please?
Of course, come.
Okay, thank you.
Well, it's good to see you.
Good evening, Mr. Brown.
Good evening, Miss Taylor.
As you know, I am a justice of the peace and I started a community WhatsApp group. And I would
Okay.
love for you to involve in this. I think it would be good interest to the whole community. So please, if you don't mind, that's the reason why I come to you.
Well, I have no problem joining any WhatsApp group, you know. Remember, I'm a police in the community, so I think it's a good look to see the community come together, and I think it could be very helpful to me as well, because I don't really get much help in the community when it comes to police work, but I think I can get some information so more people can go to jail. And if you don't know, recently, as you might know, a lot of crime has been going on in Westmoreland. So I would love to join.
Well, Mr. Brown, this group is not about that. I don't like to go in people's business.
Okay.
Yes, but this group is not about minding people business.
Okay.
It's all about, like, just an example. Garbage is behind the scheme on the
Really?
back road. Yes.
I didn't notice.
It is disgusting. Also, everybody must feel ashamed of themselves by throwing garbage there. Because
Okay.
it's not a dung heap and it doesn't look good. Each time you drive by, stagnant, smell very awful. You understand?
Well,
Also, the road need to fix.
mm, okay.
Everywhere on the scheme, you can see the road have potholes. You understand? Yes. That is the reason why most drivers don't want to drive on certain part of the scheme road because the road is a big problem.
Okay.
Next issue is that we need more street lights.
Yes.
Yes. But anyway,
But I understand what you're saying, you know, Miss Taylor, but remember, you know, solving crime is very important to the community, you know. And a lot of the informers don't want to really give any information anymore, and I need information to solve crime.
oh
And you
Lord have
won't be
mercy.
and you won't be the one who will be minding people business. I will do all the work. Once there is, for example, somebody in the community who is doing certain illegal activities, I can send out a description and anybody can look out and tell me if, for example, they seen the person, if they know where they live, because a lot of times I don't know the correct information. You understand?
I do understand. Okay, not a problem at all. But definitely, I need the community to be a better community and develop more. So the young people even can get jobs and stuff like that. In certain area, we can build a little factory and, you know.
Yes.
So we will continue this conversation when we add to the group, right?
Okay. I think that's a great idea.
So I can give you my number.
Yeah, I will take your number.
Let me put it in. Yeah. Here you go.
Alright.
So thank you very much.
Yes.
You will get a message to your phone that you add to the group, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you for your time.
Yes, Miss Taylor. And it was good seeing you.
No problem.
It's a lucky time for me. Hmm? Every time I see I move so fast, you can't sit down though, a little bit. I sit down because I know you up. Every time I see I move so fast.
I'm sure you know see me I'm moving alright. That's why I sit down and mind my business.
I mean like that. You mean say, of course I see I sit down. I'm always want the opportunity to kind of, have a conversation with you. You know what I mean? And talk to you. And, tell you how sweet you are and all these things. Because at the end of the day, I think you need to know that. You understand?
You have money?
But I'm going to tell you something. I say money is something I'm not really, you know what I mean? I don't have right now. I'm not going to be, I'm not lie to you. But I know say it or forward kind of run down money. Money is something for you run down and try to, feel like that's the only way. Because money can't eat. And if you're sick and all these things, you know what I mean? What you gonna do with money? You go dead left with money? Hmm? What I want you, if you understand that I want you.
Want me?
Yeah, I want you.
You can't want me. Number one, you have to have money. My man, them have to have money.
You gonna make a money again?
Yeah. Money, 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 money. Me love
Alright, tell me
money
something.
bad.
I know them call you one name in your lane, but what your real name?
How that concern you?
Just information what that's gonna be profitable to me to know.
Right now, me not depend for you tell no broke pocket man my name.
What you mean broke pocket man? Like your feet in my broke pocket?
Look on all your shoes.
I'm to my shoes, what my
Look
shoes?
for your shorts so you wash out.
How yard me I come from? So if
That
me I
no
go
say.
somewhere is a different vibe. Me not go wear my new clothes na yard.
Anyways, you there interrupt me and me I wait for my bike taxi.
So you myself, you really have to I try to tell me say when me have money me can come talk to you.
Yeah, when you have money, you can link me back because my rent very dear. As you can see upon the scheme me live. And any man me I talk to have to help me pay my rent.
Hold on, so me and my family member for the scheme. Me might can talk and cut down the rent a little bit. You understand? Because them own the whole of the house them were available for rent over there. So, don't bother beat my body, me can help you along the way. So it's not becoming our money, but me a little links.
That sound more better.
That sound better. So
Mm.
give me a number then, no? No man, so see your phone you can just put a number there.
How what is iPhone?
Yeah, iPhone 14 Pro Max.
So you say you not have no money?
Me not have money, me get it from my family member them. Then come down and give me one little gift. Then if they want give me it. I beg me to beg them. Right at airport, then sorry for me and give me it.
So you can't give me.
Alright, you are going. We work out something after. Let's put your number on that phone, man.
Hold this.
You know put your number on that phone?
Hold this. What if one a big man?
So I see a deal with me?
Yes. Hurry up and go and buy your business.
You know like
Enough
feel so,
night.
You know like feel so because at the end of the day, me I tell you say, what if something can turn tomorrow morning? You never know, It's
I
alright.
tell you, so when you have money, you can link me back. I'm not deal with broke pocket, man. End the conversation.
No, anyway, it's not true.
Yeah,
Have a good day, yeah?
you too.
Apple to apple.
I hope you're not broke, you too.
Miss Miss Taylor, give me 1 minute. Some more ask you to sign some people for me.
Good day, sir.
Oh, sorry man. You don't know how me forget me right. Man, so I should be in a hurry for come check you and ask you to sign the paper them. So if possible, if you can send them to them, ma'am.
I said good day.
Good day, ma'am.
Okay. What were you saying now?
I have some papers, some documents from my wife to come sign for me, and if it possible, we can get done.
What kind of paper?
I just some stuff to get one little my passport sort out. So say if you have a JP and a JP will know you and thing. So even if you want me to get a little thing, we can get a little thing and little money towards if if you sign it today for me.
Okay, all right. I can sign them, but you would have to come maybe later on in the evening or tomorrow.
Can I
Not
do today?
today. No, I can't do it today. I'm very, very busy right now.
Alright, so what time tomorrow if you come check it then for some of the case?
About 4:30.
4:30 and you go
Yeah.
for your place.
Yes. But anyway,
Mm.
I have a WhatsApp group that I would love you to come into if you're interested. It's
What's
about the community.
WhatsApp group?
Yeah.
Really and truly, if a bing go on and message, that's why I mash up my phone which day there. Me I feel like I beg my cousin one phone from foreign and me almost get back no phone. So it have to be more organized. Me don't know if I can make a WhatsApp group. If me say me go join it. But what go on in that group bro?
This is about the community.
Community.
Yes. Like the garbage, the bad road. We need more light and other stuff added onto it.
So
But we just need people to build a group so we
mhm.
can discuss it.
So when you feel so this a WhatsApp group gonna make sense?
It will.
Eh? So what if a lot of people think like how me think and say, boy, we don't want, we don't want no bing, bing,
No,
bing, bing,
don't
bing.
think about others. Think about yourself. Are you interested to come into the group?
Really and truly, me I think say, alright, suppose me put me number in that group now and somebody go see me and take me number out tight. You feel so that would alright?
No, 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 no. This is going to be an official group between the group only. You understand?
But man, me say, what if somebody go take me number out tight? Oh.
This is not a plaything. This is going to be serious. This is all about the community. We need to talk about the community and try to build the community and make it be a better community.
So basically just the community.
Yes. Everything all about the community.
Well,
we are going to discuss it.
I a JPI place, so me can't go around that and want to do a favor for me. So here you know. Me a come in that group. See?
And in case you know anybody else that who would love to come into it, you can just tell them about it.
Alright, so as me say, me have forward in that group and thing. Me have a virgin with I want to. Me know I forward that group too, but he want to do the same passport thing. But me not think you know him. You can do that thing for him and sign him in documents.
Excuse me?
Yeah, just sign in document because he want to
I
get it
don't
done.
know him.
Alright, so if me get
No. What were you going to say?
if me get a thing, like, making get a thing, like, me not talk DNG thing, but me I said thing.
Mm-mm.
Hmm?
I am a JP.
Yeah, so what?
Justice of the peace. And you understand that?
You understand that, so?
I will not sign any papers for anyone that I don't know.
So I say I deal with it. So course.
That is the way it's supposed to be.
So what if you can use the money and buy something? Like buy one new
You
shoes?
nor your friend cannot bribe me. And if you're still debating on this and your friend, maybe I will not sign yours, even though I know you.
Alright, look at take it from stage. So me I jump in the WhatsApp group. You have my number already? I you want to take it now?
All right. I'll give you my number and you send it to it. Because I thought I had it in the bag, but I leave it on charge.
Just put the number there.
All right. Here you go.
Alright, so I'm gonna text you. I call you and then text you and make you know say I mean. See? Dickie.
Okay.
See? So respect our manners.
No, I don't do that. It was nice meeting you.
I tell us that worry about money, man. You know, so my broke to them and I broke money.
I know.
You know that already.
Yeah, me know. Yeah, boy, will ever have your money. But I have to worry because the rent a come out. So me have to put bonnet over my head if I want to do.
No deal with that, man. What you say? Give me till the weekend, man.
You sure?
Yeah.
But even if you ask if you're sure still, because you know you're going to give me.
Love you believe in them still.
You told them turn bad though. Me tell you from what day you say, come and make you a pedicure. Not because you wear sneakers.
Man, me a man, man. Some man talk and real man talk can't talk pretty. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, brown boy, you told them office look good. You told them one do.
I have man, so when you tell me the truth.
But now this year, I just tell you the truth. You should have come and me there too from what day.
Tell it, man. So by the weekend,
Mm-hmm.
I get 200,000. You go do anything I want to do a year by your friend and something. Anything I want to buy some clothes.
I'm not a friend, I know that too. Just I will deal with what necessary for me. Right.
Well, what you want to do with it?
So where the pan in the evening, where you go after when you feel so?
I link much of them, you know. I only cut him a man sort out them in town, you know.
So yeah, eat dry goods, you never want food.
I'm telling you, man, I'm good, man. Yeah. Them a biscuit time, I probably a little boy, I eat them, you know. So when I eat them, feel like me young again.
I did cook still, so that's why I'm the ask you.
Sure, some of my food can come.
Alright.
I'm going out there.
I'm coming, give me a minute.
Miss Francis,
Me come, man. Oh, Miss Taylor.
Hi, how are you?
I'm not too bad. How are you?
Okay, I have a community WhatsApp group going on,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm inviting you in it if you're interested.
In
It's
the
all
WhatsApp
about
group.
yeah.
Honestly, I don't really want to join a WhatsApp group right now, based on the things that are going on in the WhatsApp group. As you know, me a Christian. The WhatsApp group can get a little bit, you know what I'm saying, sometimes. So, I'm not really sure.
Okay. The reason why I come to you is because I know that you're a Christian, and I
Right.
need people like you guys to come into it.
Well, if I can manage the WhatsApp group and make sure it's nothing out of the ordinary, just a focus plan where you need to focus on the WhatsApp group, then maybe we can think about it. You understand what I say?
Okay.
Right.
I am the one who put this thing together.
Right.
I am the one who managing it.
Right.
So I'm trying to get a lot of people from the community based upon what's going on right now in the community.
Right.
A lot of things need to solve.
Right.
And I would mind you just say yes.
Well, like I say now, if you can manage the WhatsApp group,
I can.
and mostly young folks are getting the WhatsApp group, everybody are adults, so people have a tendency to
No, no,
get
no,
out
no,
of
no.
control sometimes.
I understand what you're saying, but this group is not no disrespectful group
Right.
or no idlers group, no dating site and stuff like that. Nothing rude. It's all about the community, like keeping the place clean, stop throwing garbage all over the place,
Right.
make sure the drains clean and everything. Stop those, when they chop the coconuts, the hole leaving it, so when the rain fall, water get in it and it
Breed up
build
the
up.
mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes
Yeah, man, I
breed up
totally
all over the place.
understand.
We need to talk about these.
Right.
So I can give him a number if you don't mind.
No, you don't have my number. I think you have
No,
my
I have
number
a different phone now.
Oh, okay. Well, we can definitely exchange number, and like I said,
Let me just put
I
my
will
number
think
in your
about
phone.
it.
Okay. So let me give you my number.
Yeah, man.
Here you go.
Right, Miss Taylor.
Okay.
Right. So the
So
idea, it was your idea and everything.
yeah,
Right?
man, I'll just send you a message and then you add to the group.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, so next thing, we are long time friend from long time before you're going to church
That
and
is true.
everything.
That is true.
So how your husband getting on?
Honestly, everything has been great. It has been a journey, but everything good so far.
That is
Everything good so far,
so
man.
good. So he started coming to church with you now?
I mean, him come sometimes, but as a young couple, him try to put out the effort. Me and the young one and him and the older one, people want to do it together at church. So sometimes him put out the effort to come. Not really force him, because,
You don't know, say family, we pray together, stay
stay
together.
together, that is
Okay,
so
so
true.
that's all I have to say to you. Have a
Alright,
nice
Miss Taylor,
evening, yeah?
take care. Man,
Okay,
you too.
cool.
I want me a bump. WhatsApp group. Should I come full up my phone and man and kill out my battery. Make a kind of nice night. Miss Taylor. Enough small in that group, man. No apple this. Bingo, bingo, bingo. Call her right now.
Who this? Hello?
Hello,
Who this?
Dicky.
Dicky?
Yeah, I'm on Dicky.
Who gave me number? Who gave me number?
Oh, but I get them, man. You jump to conclusion. Me, I say, more I see it.
See me for what?
You didn't need to see it for what? Rub them your body, rub them your foot, your head, your back.
I tell you what, for rub down, you see? Who gave me number? Else me I got hang up.
No, man, that's what alright. Give me 5 months time before me tell them to give me number.
Tell me where you get my number from first, else me I give you a red button.
I say you deal with me.
Yes.
When you're a man, I try to get to you, and I try to reach to you a certain way. And a genuine man, I try to get in your heart, in your head. You know if I identify a real man. Look how far, the extent me I see I got to get your number. You see already, you don't want to give me a number. Eh?
Real my foot. Real my Eh? Which WhatsApp group?
What do you mean? The WhatsApp group come in the group. I definitely see a number. I'm just so surprised. I mean, I think myself, so I can't believe say, You know, me finally get what me want.
Okay. You have money? Me not tell us when you have money you can call for my phone.
Yeah, but me get paid, me get 7.5 and me say, boy, I'm gonna
What?
spend 2.5 with me and you.
I tell you what you go spend to tell you hey, don't make me deep up on there, hey.
So me get
Come on for this. Make sure I go call Miss Taylor right now. Miss Taylor!
I'm coming.
Miss Taylor!
Hello. Hi.
Remember me call you and tell us that I come talk to you about something.
Yes, you did.
About Dicky. Me can't believe say man go in the group, take out my number and I call my phone.
Hmm?
Yeah, Dicky. Me don't know where you add him in a WhatsApp group final.
Him really do something like that?
You best believe. Yeah, him call me this morning, but him want meet up this and that. Dicky not have nothing to give nobody. Dicky a call on my phone. Why am I
Stick
do
up
that?
in. Stick up in. That is not the point. The point is this group is not a dating site group. This is all about the community. And I did explain and I told him everything. So I don't understand how him come and they call you. Eh?
And you know, so when
As
he call me today, though, my man I wonder who I call down my phone.
see it him ready for cause problem, for mash up the group and the group don't reach anywhere yet. You know what?
That's inappropriate.
I know. Don't worry about it. I'm going to talk to him. I am going to make sure I have a word with him. That is very out of order and rude.
Boy, you see man talk to him because when do is not right. As same time we go in a group, we take out other people number too.
Yeah, I'm going to put a stop into it. I understand. And I'm very, very sorry about that. Because I am the one who is responsible for the group. I am in charge of the group. So I'm going to make sure the group organized properly so everybody understand what I am talking about. It's all about the community, not a dating site. You understand? As I said, I am going to have a word with him. I start to do some jacking down in a little book that I have.
Yeah.
I am planning to do some meeting.
Community meeting?
Yes, community meeting. As soon as possible. I am
That
going to
sound
make
good.
sure we start doing that.
In a later, me and you we talk. Or tomorrow, me and you we
All right. Have a nice day.
You too.
Thanks for coming.
All right.
Evening.
Good evening. You want to send the paper down for me?
I will answer you about that after I finish talk to you right now. Listen, I get to understand that you take out someone number out of the group and constantly calling them.
Baccarat? No, 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 no,
Excuse
go
me,
so.
please. I'm talking to you. Can you come?
I'm saying, Miss Taylor, who tell her that? Miss Taylor, who for tell you say me take no? You see me take number out in a WhatsApp group and do what?
Excuse me. Excuse me. I am a JP. You forgot? Seems like you don't brought up. Eh? You don't have any brought ups inside of you. I'm talking to you, sir. Can you stop sweep?
But I can hear you, but
Stop the sweeping and listen. This is serious. Why did you take out the woman number out of the community WhatsApp group and constantly calling, messaging? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Causing problem now.
Miss Taylor, you come and tell me, say. So who tell her that, by the way?
Listen.
Who come and tell us me message somebody? Are the girl tell us me a message her and me get you to the group? It's not me, Miss
I
Taylor.
don't come to you with anybody name to tell you whosoever, tell me whatever. I am just saying it is wrong for you to do that and you're trying to break up my community group.
Miss Taylor, you're accusing me. That's accusation. Accusation.
Accusation.
You cannot come
When you
at me
say a
with
false accusation.
Yes.
Listen to me.
Accusation and
the message are there.
From who?
And the missed calls and the one them we receive. Listen. Whosoever you're doing this to, they don't like it. And I don't have to tell you who's tell me this. You understand? You just need to stop.
All right, Miss Taylor.
This is not, you need to listen. Me can't say you're not brought up senior, you know. But you need to listen. You're a big man. You're not a child. This is not a dating site. You understand? This is a community WhatsApp group. You don't need to text anybody in it telling them that you want them to do this and want them to do that. When you see them personally, you tell them that if you want to.
Miss Taylor,
You don't need to do this.
I think you're going too far with it. All right, listen. You understand? Say upset and you feel like say me violate this WhatsApp group or whatever the case may be, but you can't come and tell me say um so what if I never them take my number out of the group first? Man?
No.
Eh?
The person
And then contact
did
me
not
and
do
then
that.
we will reason certain way.
No, the person did not do that. You do it, and I don't like it. All I am saying, it's not a dating site. So can you please stop what you're doing? Else I'm going to have to take you from the group.
All right, Ira, don't bother take me to that group. Don't bother take me to that group. Me not do it again. Simple as that. Because if I somebody case, me go take the blame them. But if somebody say and me when do it, if I them say it and them believe me do it, I apologize on that part.
Anyway, about the papers, yes, I did sign them. You can come and collect them.
But my brethren one, you say if I go do my brethren one thing.
Your brethren, I
Yeah.
don't know your brethren.
Yeah, but me don't tell someone.
Listen, you don't need to understand about justice of the peace. If I don't know you, I don't need to sign anything for you.
But
why me, I go on like I say me know the person and sign something for somebody. Him I can thief. I can some big criminal, killer, whatever. And me go sign paper for them, then get work or whatever they want if you do. And put me in a trouble. No.
calm down, Miss Taylor. Calm down.
And don't bribe me.
No, I'm not bribing you. I'm just saying to you, look how long you have the bag there. You know, think you can use the money and buy one extra one new bag. Look at your bag strand out and frown out.
I love this bag. And this bag have all my important paper in there.
It's a new bag, man.
And I don't care if you like it or not. I am not going to sign the paper for your friend. That's it. You know what? If I know that you was going to behave in this farm,
With me.
this farmer way that you're behaving now, I wouldn't even sign yours, even though I know
All right,
you.
Miss Taylor. You know what? Forget everything. I'm very sorry about the misunderstanding and hope say we can have a peaceful continuance of our friendship. And just leave me in the WhatsApp group because obviously that group is doing very well, ma'am. And I'm proud of you. Right? The garbage thing, them stop dump it there so and all them something there. So we're proud of what going. Thank you, Miss Taylor. And I'm gonna pick up my paper later. All right? Have a wonderful evening, Miss Taylor.
Now when you look next away, send this to John. Yeah. See you. I'll see. Jesus Christ, delete. Please don't let nobody view it. Guys, everybody, please disregard this message. It was a mistake. This was meant for my husband. I'm so sorry about this video.
Miss Francis?
Even.
Evening.
Mm-hmm.
I want to talk to you privately. Is anybody else
No,
inside
man,
there?
I'm alone there. My husband lamp on the road.
Okay. You remember when I came to you and asked you to come into the group?
Right?
Yes. You remember all that I said that I don't want to happen in the group?
Yes.
Well, you know, once you send a message to the group, everybody phone it gone to.
Well, yeah. You know
Well,
that.
you send a video in the group and it's going all around. Everybody talking about it.
Well, listen.
And I don't finish talking. Sorry. Anyway, who is John? You send this video to this person named John. I don't expect this from you, please. Me and you is friend long time, and I don't expect this kind of video from you. Those videos are personal. You send it to your husband. You send it to yourself then, but not in the public.
Listen to me. I'm happy you say you come over here and so I can personally apologize. The message was not meant for the group. Like, honestly, it was not meant for the group. As I see me delete the message almost immediately.
Hold on. Miss Francis, what are you saying to me? That was a mistake?
It was a mistake. It was an honest mistake.
So suppose your husband hear this. What do you think is
Well,
going to
like how
happen?
you say everybody hear about it, him probably I get here, I'm gonna come over here and do the most, but me have that under control, me will fix it.
Miss Francis, me and his friend long time. I'm very serious about this now. This group is not all about that. This is about the community.
I totally understand that. That is
And I'm
why.
so disappointed
So
in
you
you.
tell me say you never make mistake?
I made mistake, but not like that.
Well, somebody have to make the serious mistake them. So me make a serious
Miss
mistake and
Francis,
me
I am going to come straight to you right now. Straightforward. Let me tell you this. Me not tell no lie. You are Christian? I understand. But me not expect them kind of video you from you. And you a talk like I say, I know
Taylor,
nothing.
Miss
If
Taylor,
you send them kind of video there in a one group where everybody see
listen
it,
to
and
me.
you're married and you're a Christian.
Listen to me, remember, so we are friends, you know.
Me know.
So you're not over here, I do the most.
No, me not do the most.
Yeah,
Me
I
just
do the
make you
most.
look into yourself and the way you are going like I say, I know nothing. I know nothing. So it's supposed your husband hear about this
Me
and come
never
to you.
said
So you're going like I know nothing.
Alright, well, let's know. So set him say mistake.
Can do like when I tell her say me already have this under control with my husband me have to worry about and with him me already know say me have that under control. Me will start to talk me really sorry about what happened. You understand? It was not meant for the group, honestly.
Anyway, I'm going to have to take you out of the group. I am so sorry. But we
It
are still friends.
it not gone it not that bad. You have to take me out of the group. Well, honestly, if you think that's best, then do what you have to do. Me
Miss
never really want to
Francis,
go in the group in the first
me
place.
know, but you know people stay. Them a go say me I have did friend, and if I did somebody else, would have take them out and whatever. But we are go still friend. Me just have to go just take you out of the group.
Well, like me say, I understand. I totally understand. Just do what you have to do. If you say, yeah, try and make the community a better place, you put in the work and make the community a better place. Again, I apologize for what happened.
Okay.
Right. And as a friend, I hope you can forgive me about
Me
everything.
forgive you. Don't worry about it.
All right.
Me just don't want to leave an argument in the group. You understand?
Yeah, man, I understand.
All right, then later.
All right, take care, Taylor.
Yeah.
Yo, Dicky. Forward dig. Yo, Dicky.
Yo, where say I go on?
You know, send me there look for a quick wash off my bus.
Steve. I don't know if you know the time, you know. Yes, it's a son gone out. Can't follow them time as Steve and I tell you already you do it one time already and I help you but bro it can't work out so
Yeah, but I'm only here make you know.
and no matter money brother you tiresome you know how if you whole day in that water brother. And not time for my boomer now.
Alright, if
Hold
I
on.
can't wash it, me just come earlier morning.
Hold on. If what? Steve. The one thing I want him WhatsApp group in our community. You in there?
No, sir. What kind of WhatsApp group this is
One
that?
community group where they make because they want to fix certain things in our community. But you have your woman still there?
I thought my wife good man. I thought happy as ever.
Wife you call her too?
Mm-hmm.
Where they want to know say today in the morning early on. She sending one picture in a WhatsApp group. I mean I talk about one picture, me one picture. And I say, you know, my baby, me not want to call on him coming on and go spread and answer rate. Yeah, picture. I show her, show off her breast, the man sitting and sitting.
No, sir.
And then she got delete it fast and I said, please disregard. So I never used to send it again.
No,
After.
me never get a message after.
I still even know what to sit here. But based on circumstances, look pretty.
So wait, what you say? You never see name when you must send a message though?
Yeah. Johnny Miguel name?
No?
Yeah, she said to my baby John.
Alright. Me. I don't want to stress out myself about this, but we deal with it. But give thanks still.
Yeah man, give respect. Alright, yo, just forward tomorrow morning early. I have first one.
And when we come for watch the bus, just carry your phone and me see WhatsApp message. Can you see your screenshot, you know?
Yeah. But tomorrow morning. I'm morning coming man.
Alright, yeah man.
Alright.
Oh, Jessica, come off your phone and give me a minute.
In the evening, nothing.
You really think you deserve good evening?
Yes, why me don't deserve a good evening?
A car wash me just a come from, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, me just a come from car wash. And one of my virgin tell me say, in my part of one WhatsApp group, and you mistakenly send a half naked picture to somebody in a WhatsApp group. Me never know see a part of WhatsApp group and I send people in a half naked picture.
Jesus Christ. Listen, I am a part of a WhatsApp group. Miss Taylor come over here and ask me to join the WhatsApp group, you know. Because him fill in, right?
Who?
Who tell her, who give her the
You
information?
know, tell me everything. You just tell me about the naked picture and say you're part of WhatsApp group.
Listen to me,
And him a basically said to me saying things to me head left.
don't raise your voice for me. That
But
photo was...
now, you know, say every time I talk to you, I talk about raise voice.
Because you're supposed to come and talk to me, come and say you talk to somebody. No, the photo was meant for you and my mistake and listen it in the group and I delete it almost immediately. I never know somebody say that. I
Me,
never see nobody respond to it or nothing in the group. So
me,
I
me
think
name
so
John.
nobody...
Me name John.
What you mean?
At that, him say it part of the text, not only picture, but you say the picture of Johnny and send it to.
Listen to me, I don't know about that. That's a lie. The photo was meant for you. Because your name the right here, so I'm texting in the group. Look a bit. After I text you, I click on the group.
You know what me I go do? Him tell me say him need screenshot, you know, but him not have him phone with
Oh,
him.
okay, I want to see
So
the screenshot too. I want to see the screenshot. Because me know, me never text nothing about no John. I don't know John.
you hurry up and delete it.
Right,
Him have the
because I mistake.
screenshot. Him have the screenshot and me I go
So
get
I'm
it from
never show
him.
it to you. Since as him son enough
Because
and
him never
ready
have him
for
phone
prove.
with him at the time.
Listen to me. Me no know where my talk about. Me send the photo in the group, yes. But a mistake and you would forget it.
Alright, me go iron out everything, you know, and see who I tell lie. When me get the
This is why
screenshot,
I say me never want. Yes, when she come down here, I tell her I say me don't want to be a part of the group, you know. And she convinced me. I tell her, all right, you know. And look at this.
she gonna blame she if you're a
Me
mistake.
not blame nobody, but due to how you come here to say raise your voice and I go and leave it, even you can't tell your wife you come here and say about this and that. And me I tell her say me not send nothing in the group with
So
no
me
John,
ask
nothing,
you,
nothing.
in a reality, you don't feel some of you upset.
Yeah, but I not say deal with the situation. I say deal with the situation.
So how me feel deal with the
You
situation?
can deal with it better than that. Yeah, man, you can deal with it better than that. You come and throw yourself at about. You can't say evening because you're upset. Because somebody tell us something.
Me think me have a right to upset over one situation where
Okay,
you
and me I
create.
tell you said the photo was meant for you and a mistake. People don't make mistake? No? Right, it was a mistake.
Alright, me go find out. Me go find out if a mistake. And if a mistake, I will own up to my wrongdoing and apologize to you.
You not have to apologize, you know. You not have to apologize. And my fault, me too enough. I should have never agreed to join the group.
Miss Taylor, come here.
What is it?
Have you seen a hoodlum,
What do you mean when you said hoodlum?
a criminal,
Criminal?
a bad person, a person who doesn't dress right?
Oh, okay. Oh my God. No,
You haven't seen him?
no,
You're
nobody.
sure?
Nobody.
Oh, God.
I haven't seen no one, not even an ant. What's really going on?
Right now, I'm in a hot pursuit. I've been running all the way from the back road to come on the scheme, and I'm running down this man. He has some stolen contraband and some stolen money.
Oh Lord.
You sure
Anyway,
you haven't seen him?
no, I don't see anyone.
I don't know what I'm going to have to call control, but wait, Miss Taylor, don't we have a community WhatsApp group?
Yes?
Yes. This is how it's going to come in handy, you know. I'm going to need you to put it on blast. So there's a hoodlum in the community. So I'm going to get my sketch artist. I'm going to send it to you. And you just make sure everybody, tell everybody, all the bush, all the way from country to Kingston, or everybody should know.
No, 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 Mr. Brown.
Maybe you know.
No, 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 no. That is the same thing I told you about. You remember I talked to you about
Yes,
this?
Miss Taylor.
I don't want anybody to come and kill me before the time.
Miss Taylor, no one's going to hurt you. This is important. This is a part of the law.
You don't know that. You don't know when somebody is going to get hurt, even though you're a police officer.
But this is the exact reason why we need a WhatsApp group to lock up people. So this is very important. Miss Taylor, remember you're the justice of the peace, you know.
Yes, I am.
Your job is to help the law, you know. Your job is to help the law. And I don't want to have to go to a judge to take over the group. Because I will do that if I have to.
Take over what group? You see, that's the reason why I did not want any police to get
Miss
involved in
Miss
this thing.
Taylor,
Because you're taking this thing too far now.
Miss Taylor, I want you to calm down. No one's going to die, you know. All I need is for you to put it on blast. I need you to cooperate.
Okay, okay, officer, okay. Just send me this sketch and then I'll just send it out in the WhatsApp group.
Alright. That's all I needed to do. But I'm going to continue, see if I can find the person. Have a nice day.
This boy I feel like them skill at hand, man. How do my place is in boy. Yeah, where Bambi? Jaja. Ah, say, I'm mad, man. This can't happen. Somebody have to go. Somebody have to go face it for this, man. Somebody have to go feel it. Yeah, LMJ. I want to say, I think go on a while ago and when I board them when I don't have my dash the bag over one part, so I can't find the bad bro. Jaja no. Yo, I circle up the car, yo, this don't look good enough.
Hey boy, top right there, sir. You see nobody run past here, sir?
No, sir. No, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir. I'm very sure.
You're not illegal, pal.
No, man. I just come from I'm a yard and think I'm just through you know.
Why you sound so nervous?
No, I'm never was tired man come to bed. Come work hard last night.
I ain't see nobody.
No, man, there's nobody, boss.
Alright. If you see no criminal, call the police department. Yeah, that's how we do it.
Morning, Miss Set.
But Dicky this.
Morning, Miss Set.
How we broke Dicky get more money from? Where you get money from? Oh wait, me never have his number. I think me this save his number. I call him. Thinking I want answer. Dicky,
Hello?
what happened?
Um, hold on. See, you never dash my number.
No, sir, I did save your number. What go on there, fan? Where you there?
You know, some day I spend some money on the car, I want to build up little, little place, Some day I'm yeah, start out some stuff. What you up to? You want to come here, come link me?
What that?
You
Me
know,
a
come
plan for
down.
do. Me come link you now.
Yeah, come link me right now for sure. Hey, a joke, Karen?
Me serious as a judge.
Apple, long want something like this to happen and you really are telling me this now. I don't want to say a prank, can be a prank or go around the place,
I no prank, man. I no prank. A reality.
Long and short, everything, we just appreciate the facts you have. Come in, man. They are with fire here.
Alright, me soon forward.
You remember we, right?
I think so.
Alright, I'm waiting.
Finally.
Dicky, what?
There. Oh, no, so what's up? What's up?
My body can't hold this, you
Don't
know.
worry about it, man. You're not drop. So what
So
happened?
what?
Are you tell me? Ugly, hmm? Lord of mercy. You come here say, long to see you and talk to you. So tell me something. What make you just run in so? Like you deal me so wicked, you hang up on phone for me. You see you up at the place that I wait for your bike taxi. You rush me like say boy I mean nobody.
Because we approach thing.
Approach this thing. How?
But you call me other day, I mean, I think about things like, me I try figure out if this can work between me and you. And I see two of we match out. And I see we are power couple. Can be power couple.
Me tell you this, you see. Me understand all you're saying, but me feel like right after me post the money in the group chat, you feel like say boy you can link me up right away. So you will save the number, you will delete it. But you say
I did save it.
you save the number?
Yeah, me a little call you, but me no know want it. Want your phone?
No, sometimes the vibrate thing just nah work. And the
No,
ringing
do
thing
not
nah work.
disturb. You put your phone
No, your
down.
phone drop and boom up. So
Oh,
you boom up and it just nah work. But my mind still me I say, if I just money you come from, can give you a thing still, can make you buy like. A man car, me I tell you, see all this, it's a small compared to what the amount of money I have. You want to see picture in the group, I show?
can you give me money for do me here
Today here,
and pay my rent?
I can give a contribution towards your year for now.
Me look like a fundraiser to you.
You don't want the money?
How you get
Are
$1,000?
you don't want the money?
So you never bother want me again?
I don't want to say I don't want. I want you still, but at the end of the day, me I say, it can't be just because of money. That not gonna feel right. So I really because of money you walk your way from up at the hilltop and come down here, so?
So you look for me head and you say you see you want me, you can't give more money for them here or pay my rent. And then little more you want come on my yard.
Alright, you what me gonna do? Me gonna think about it.
Cause if you're going I group and find my number, why you would find me yard?
Yeah, because you tell me, say, I come here, yard, left you alone, you hang up the phone for me and them something. Me nah come here and I go call police for me. Think me want go back to jail. Me nah go back to jail again.
Boy, if you find a piece of money you just get hype so.
Find which piece of money. A lot of me win. What you talk
Which
about?
latter? The last job when I see them say nobody know me not like I tell you. Mine, you know.
What you mean, man?
Mine, you know, me post in a group and tell the people them say you thief money, you know. You better give me a piece of food or that me I tell you.
People them know say me stop thief. Me a thief again. Last time I thief, you fall off so. And then catch me. I just that. I'm done with the thieving thing.
And that's why they go to jail.
Yeah, them long time they were. So, nobody perfect. Nobody can make mistake. Because
You get mean and going like you better than people though.
so of course you come here for cuss me? Because me I get $1,000 if you contribute to you here. Eh?
Contribute to which year? I
Yeah.
tell you if you do it 1,000 yesterday, don't worry, yeah, this soon done. You're not gonna have it forever. As I spend $5,000 so you done. Not gonna have it forever.
At the end of the day, me tell you this. See, me not think say me gonna work out because me now give you heap of money right now for you just take my money and go. Forward back at the yard or we go in the house now and walk you out.
With or without money, you still a broke pocket, your house broke down like, I come go my yard before you run me out to your yard, cause my house bigger
You
than
can't
you.
do this.
Or fix up, go use the money and fix up a
You
yard.
can't do this.
Dirty
You
Rasta
can't
man.
do that. And I give none of my money. But God
Dirty
never chose
Rasta
you.
man. So, what money we say You gotta give me money, you promise me.
I get her money still, man, but right now, if you get her money still, but John, know, long story. See, little move when I tell her something I go for another day.
Mm-hmm.
Get the money, in a lose it.
Oh, that.
When I board them, and I run me down, man. And if I run left him, man, John know me told you. It's the right run, I scheme back there, so I garbage jeep there. Throw it back over there, so I garbage side, I say, when I go back over there, I see money.
So when I did I run from a boy them, you never see anybody?
No, so
I did want the money for them here and pay my rent or something.
I find a woman, because yo, I work hard for the money then. Risk my life for the money then. So I'm like a boy. I just take up my money and go, so no, sir, this now go, so.
Wait, me no want WhatsApp group.
Mm.
Now you this?
So I'm going to picture you, so. Alright.
But some robbing a money business.
Wanted. Jaja. Some things stay. Ja.
But me never know you do them type of work there, Dre.
Jaja.
I want WhatsApp
Wanted.
group when me in there, you know. One community WhatsApp group. It has circulate a picture, everybody has share it.
So how me become wanted so fast, and some of them boy then I post at the rest of them.
I don't
It's not
know.
look good, man. Okay. John, no, gun boy, wanted. John, no, I can't believe, baby.
So what you gonna do about all of this? You wanted know
I don't even
how.
think about that. I'm you. Even pray that. Yo, right now, I just my money right now, man, up on that. I tell you that.
So the money where you say you throw away, I them post in a group for.
I'm not business.
Oh, you know for business.
If police want to look for me, they don't look for me, man.
Ah boy.
I'm to an eye first. I forget bail, you know. I'm to feel like man worried and say about this. Just
Anyways,
one buck a boy right now, where I have all my money and so I go on. You hear that?
I have something to tell you too, cause me just a pencil out this and everything just a come in place.
I
You,
go on.
you know Dicky? You know
Dicky.
Dicky?
So I don't know that name.
You don't know Rasta Dicky?
So I don't want to know that
You don't know Brock Dicky?
hear that name there.
You don't know Brock Dicky? Says you don't know Dicky? Dicky will wash car?
Let me tell you something. Believe me, you know. What? You not trust me? You
Yeah,
don't
me
know
trust
no
you,
Dicky.
but
Eh?
everybody know Dicky. Me just a put one and two together. Where you see you throw money again?
Right behind the scheme where garbage heap.
You know, say Dicky live close to the garbage sheet there. This man stop everybody and buy them beer and this and that. Look on the video. Tell me if their money they look like for your money. Or the bag when find the money in it.
Ja. Me can't say it's a different bag this, but as some $100 US and then I still you see it. Them same amount of money I said there, you see it. Where I'm get them money from. Where say much car?
Yeah, him wash car make it, washing car can make him have
I was
all of
saying the
them money.
right side of the
Yes.
garbage heap.
The reason why I know me just a put two and two together.
Page a boy, you know.
Me can help you page him too. Because other day, me see him, and I beg him $1,000 and he no want give me.
Yo, send him picture to my WhatsApp.
I him man a Dicky him name man.
Yeah, well, go on. Just send me picture.
Me send it to you already.
Alright, yo,
Me share it to you.
I'm gonna check it out. How you saying live?
Right, same place which where you throw your money.
Right, that's all.
Yes, right, that's all. Funny scheme.
I'm gonna check it back in the look. I'm gonna touch the road down there. Yo, don't make no noise. Don't make no noise. Go on back in it. Go on back in it. Go on back in it. Yo, watch your name, man. Yo, listen to me, I say, brother.
Yo, what is ball? What is
Go
ball?
on back in it, sir. Listen to me, I say, man. Get realize I have something for me, you see?
Me? Have something feel like what? Me no bad man.
Listen to me, I say.
Me not do gun.
You then call Bird, man.
No, me.
Chris.
It's a wrong somebody, a wrong guy
Then
there.
call again.
I mean him Dicky.
Dicky, yo. Yeah, man, I say, quick and fast, because I have much time, I say, you have some money for me, you know.
Jesus Christ, man. Yo.
Listen to me, I say, man, I have to spell out it, because you know what I'm going already. You have some money for me, brother. See? So go on in for the money and come back. Watch on the money. If you like me come and stop a laugh.
Yo, alright, here I go.
You like me come and stop a play with you?
Yeah, just hear me for a
So I say,
second.
man, yo, I give you 3 more seconds, brother.
The money kind of use up. The money use up in some bills and some things.
I mean bills and some things. I
Yeah,
understand.
because all the things I got my boss. You want to know you but
Father,
understand
yeah,
you understand what I'm going. Yo,
I have my money in a WhatsApp group.
Me not do them something. Me not do them something.
I have my money I post up in a WhatsApp
Boss, let's
group.
go, boss the trigger.
Rich boy. You know, take time talk, man. People are pass on the road.
Yeah, people are pass.
Yeah, boy, you may say. I give you 3 days to get my money.
Yeah, right, 3 days. Yeah, 3 days me get your money. Don't take on a gun. Oh, Jesus. Don't take on a gun.
I dare it.
My man tell me something.
I get my money. 3 days I give you.
Miss Taylor. Miss Taylor.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Miss Taylor, really and truly, me don't know if you really lay it down, make you understand
Are
what
your
I
paper
want.
them you come for?
Yeah, but no. It's a situation I find myself in, Miss Taylor. You know, I was down by the garbage heap trying to throw away some.
Eh? Dicky? Tell me if me hear what you really say just a while. What you just say?
Me
I
down
did that temp say.
passing, I was passing.
Hold on the Dicky. After me have the WhatsApp group, and tell you, Jesus Christ, me post in there, me tell all of you know, say no rubbish, not supposed to throw on the street side, especially on the back road. You are gonna come to me with your stupid mouth and tell me say you throw rubbish.
No,
You're too lie.
I was about to, but
I
no.
lie you tell.
But me never bother do it.
Like seriously?
Me never do it, Miss
Dicky,
Taylor.
you're a big man, you know.
Alright. I'm very sorry for even you thinking that I did that, but I was passing by that area. And me see a post from brother in the WhatsApp group where he wanted by the police, right? I'm gonna tell you the full story what go on. You see, police are run him down and him end up and throw one bag in the garbage heap. And when he throw in the garbage heap, me find the bag and I have money in it. So me don't have the money and when I feel kind of powerful because them say money give you power. I don't know why in my head me feel like for even when show off and thing because a lot of things when I run through my mind, me just when in a one zone, man, you know.
So Dickie, you're not uncle nasty, they mess up the place. You're a thief.
No.
You see somebody mistakenly throw away some money, you know, call them and give them it back.
No, the thing,
Even though you wanted.
Miss Taylor,
You're not even care go to police station, go report say you find money.
Miss Taylor, can
You're
you?
dishonest.
No, it's not about dishonest. It's that everybody gone, something to do. Call them. Me not have a number.
So where's the money?
The money.
Give it to me, let me give out the person. We can bring it to the station. Cause like how he wanted, if me carry money go down at the station, he want him money, then we hold on for him that time, they give me money. Me carry go down at the station, so if he say down then we go down there, then they catch him.
You always have more sight, Miss Taylor.
Wara?
You always have more sight. So
You.
but the problem is this. The man knows say I'm me. That's the problem. So I really
Lord
want, if
Jesus,
you can help me, if you get out of situation, Miss Taylor.
You know, say I don't want normal man.
Jesus
That's why me have to post him in the group.
Yeah, but me don't want it.
So you never see the man picture in the group? Eh? If you know
see
say him throw the money in the rubbish, if you not touch nothing, feel that they kind of smarty there.
But that 2 days later, Miss
Your
Taylor.
life in a jeopardy.
Yeah, but
Danger.
so you can help me in
Me?
a situation.
Me Dickie? Do I look like the police? I'm just a JP, forming a WhatsApp community group who no keep the place clean.
Yeah, but it gone farther than that now, Miss
Me see,
Taylor.
I mean no.
I mean a problem. Then suppose me say me and you ain't find the money. You think they will respect you more because you
Me?
yeah.
Shut your clappers. Lying lips is abomination unto the Lord. Me and you know about money? Or me catching of that?
No,
Yes, you say he's a liar, then he's a thief,
No.
and plus you're nasty panta pie.
No.
Anyway, I'm just a justice of the peace. Plus, I am the president for the WhatsApp community group. I'm not a police. You understand?
So in any case you feel like you can just assist me in some way. That's all I'm asking.
Since you insist,
Yes.
there's a police in the WhatsApp group.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to talk to him and let him assist you.
Because Miss Taylor, I see me very, very petrified at this point because me hear say man have a gun and he man write my name on the bullet and saying he have that one especially for me. I mean, me no really want to get no bullet.
No, you
understand?
learn to keep your finger them on your side.
No, but
And don't touch what is not yours.
no, but me never see nobody.
Dickie, I already get as much information from you. I don't want to hear nothing more. Your name is in the WhatsApp. I will get in touch with you. Okay? No further information from you. Sorry.
And tell officer me say stop calling my phone.
Alright, good afternoon, Miss Taylor and sir. So
Good
what?
afternoon.
Good afternoon. So what you say is the problem? Cause I don't have much time enough. Right now I'm going on a shift.
You remember the other day when you was telling me about the fugitive?
Yes.
Okay. That same person,
Mm-hmm.
I bring somebody to tell you about some information about him. And
So you have some information for me?
yes, his name is Dickie. I don't know if you know him.
Dickie.
Dickie.
Alright, sir. Mr. Dickie.
Yes, sir.
Speak.
It happened that
Speak up. I don't have all day.
it happened that
Mm-hmm.
the fugitive that you were running down
Mm-hmm.
at the time. I was close by the situation and you know I know
As you say that, your face actually look familiar, you know. You're the same person I stopped when I was running down the fugitive, right? Mm-hmm.
yes, boss. But the thing is this, reason why me really come with that right now is not even because of that. It's like the fugitive kind of want, attack me for some reason. I don't know because I was on the scene at the same time.
Why would he want to attack you?
Because when you stop me and ask me question in Jamaica, they have one concept where you say, why you not say heart no leap and mind your own business kind of situation. But
Wait. Say that over because I don't understand nothing what you're saying.
all right. So you see when somebody sending threat and all these things, it's like my life now feel, like under pressure. That's why I'm going to the president of the WhatsApp community chat. So that's she kind of bring me to the situation where you can assist me to keep me safe, sir.
I'm going
Because
to be honest with you. I don't understand nothing what you're saying.
You know-
Because you tell me that you're under, like this person is threatening you. But you're not telling me why he's
Because
threatening you.
you stop me, and when you stop me, him see that. So when you stop me and he see that, that means say him have a glimpse of my face. So that cause all the problem.
No bother with that. So you're not willing to speak the truth. You come over here so you waste the officer time and my time. Anyway, officer,
Yes, Miss Taylor.
you see the thief where you did a rundown? The thief throw some money in the garbage heap.
Wait, he threw the money away?
Throw the money in, yes.
Yeah.
In the garbage heap.
Yeah.
And this thief take up that thief money. So that's why that thief want to kill this thief. I want to forget what I just said now.
So, let me try to understand. Basically, the person, the fugitive, is threatening your life because you stole his money. So, sir, so why you're just coming?
You see, it's not about forwarding to tell anything because which law say you're in a fine sitting in a bush, you have to carry go a police station. Which law say that?
So which last time enough to lock you up right now?
But the thing is this, me can help if you find that the brother there, you know, and make you lock him up, that which fulfill the complete law.
Alright, by the way, where is the money?
I had some bills to pay and I'm actually debt free now, so the money kind of used to do that. So I don't know if anything you understand me I say, but it's not like say I know money when can give account for, sir. So let me just help you if you find the man and carry him to prison. Him I look for, not me I look for.
Alright, sir. You're in contact with this person, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so listen to me now. We're going to do a sting operation, and I'm going to lock him up. But I know, say you go have to serve some time too.
But we can't get locked up.
You're not going to go to prison, but you're going to serve some time. You're going to help with the community. Right, Miss Taylor?
Community service, no problem, man.
I'm more than community service.
No problem, man.
You're going to clean up the entire community when they're done with you.
We stay there, we see you here. All right, Mr. Officer, we keep in contact.
Make contact with you when the time is ready. So they can't come out of the bus.
I know what that one plan for you. We can't come out of the bus now, so none of them forward me.
Forwarded you.
Yeah.
Listen. Come out of the bus, boss. I want to hear so timid, man.
Well,
Yawa. Yeah, man, I'm mouse youth.
listen to me, man. Me don't know man or mouse business. It's a life or death, a bullet.
Listen to me, man.
This man come on me, yeah, officer. You never understand the kind of man you deal with, saying armed and dangerous.
Yes, me understand who we are dealing with. That's why somebody have to be the bait. So,
So,
please and thank you come out of the bus.
But
They have to serve and protect.
But bait now is
We gotta protect you, man. Yeah, we name serve and protect. Boss, man, come out of your vehicle, man. Yo, listen to me. Mind to make a case out of you, you know. You hear me, boss?
Just come back on me, answer.
Come back. I must say I'm mad, man. To Virgin. Yeah, man. Yo, go over some. Go over some, man. Yo, go along, man. You just come waste man time, Virgin. Go over some. Waste man time, man. How there? Go on, man.
You never have to deal with him so strong, you know.
Boss, man. What do you think, man? Boy, I have money, you know what I mean? Come in, man. I go and say, yo, I'm not doing nothing, man. Come in, man. I must have my money having them, man. I'm not doing nothing.
And I bust the money then. So I can't afford over there, so I must have money I come for.
Come in, man. Deal it quick and fast, don't.
Let's go.
Alright, it's like when I get back my money, you know. I look like a liar, so I give her work with me, you know. Yeah, I'm deal with me. I give her work, see? You look like a liar, so I'm spirit take you. See?
Mm-hmm.
So do what you do, I can buy her a drink, say the out tight, you know what I mean? Do what you do fast and quick. See me? Boy, no move. You're a real idiot. You have something you have here, you look rotted. Oh,
What do you mean all this?
yo, hold him there. Hold him there. Hold him there. Yo, what you do? How about it? Yo,
Yo.
go put him in the bus.
Yo, this
You have so
tight.
much
Yo,
damn talk, boy.
Yo, this tight for
Put
me
him in
and
the bus,
sir.
man.
I'm to yo.
Yo, see if we never
this
ask for
tight
this,
for
we
me,
just
yo.
kick him up and
Yo,
put him
I'm
in,
too,
man.
man.
Go in the bus, man.
Yo, slack
Go
up
in
this
the bus and stop it.
Yo, slack up this in brother.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the community WhatsApp group. I am the president of the WhatsApp group, which you all already know. Anyway, thank you guys for joining the group. It was a pleasure having you guys. And I'm so thankful that you all come together and work together. Teamwork make the dream work. Now, the community WhatsApp group is back on track. Thank God. And the garbage that was behind the scheme on the back road, it already cleared up. The place looking real nice and the road fixed and everything is okay. We all have lights and everything. So everything is going on quite fine in the community. So it is good to come together and work together. Thank you guys. And you guys, I hope you remember that fugitive that was running by. Well, he got caught and everything is quite fine. The law work out everything with the fugitive. So thank you guys again. And I hope we all join together still and keep the WhatsApp group going and keep the community clean. Thank you. I'm out.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
I want to see the shirt already, right? Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack to the number up on his shirt. You know what I say? He has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know what I say? It's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them in use, make the capsule them, and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you're 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm talking about from a healthy perspective. You want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up. See him Instagram handle there. So you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic.
Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn down to the ground. You know what I mean? As we go along, you know how we do it. Yeah, man, so it's a new channel, I go rise. Maggie Film. Maggie, right?
Maggie Film.
Yeah, but on a Maggie Chicken Dog soup, you know. Movie. You know what I mean? I will go prove it.
Hey, Richie, sound like a pervert I know.
Daddy.
Ain't that good? Sound like a pervert I know. Cause it sound like a regular thing when me a stalk woman.
No.
That good?
No, but you're not that type of guy.
Oh, alright. So.
Apple. At some point, when him start one, him a go and more he start cuss. Remember say you the block, you know, man, and he have nothing, you know. And me I show you look at attention now,
Why you even fight so much money?
Yeah, how you even get so much money?
I'm because
A lot of my you know.
When you win that, you two lie last draw, me see. Then see nobody no win.
Yeah. Ready?
Come, give me, you want the white
Well,
chop now?
believe what you want to believe.
Yeah, yeah,
Ready?
so I want to look at again.
Ready?
Ready now?
And action.
Boy, find your final piece of money, you just get hype, so.
Find which piece of money. A lot of me win. We
Which
talk about.
lotto? The last draw when I see them say nobody know me like that. Mine, you know.
You mean, man?
Mine, you know, me post in a group and tell the people them say you thief money, you know. You better get.
Who no keep the place clean?
Yeah, but it gone further than that now, Miss
Missy,
Taylor.
I mean no.
I mean a problem.
I know.
So what if me say I mean you find money?
Me.
Yeah, going too good. You know
Say here what, Dickie, please do not mix me up. Do not mix me up.
I tell him say.
So Miss Taylor, this thing is. They can say Miss Taylor, this thing is serious.
If I X-start me plus you have one gun where my say go.
You go shot me out, but write me name on one bullet.
Yeah. Yeah.
Really? Officer, what go on, sir? That boy a box man for help.
Yo,
Boy, no move.
why that?
He not have the money.
Because we can't talk.
His name is Dickie. I don't know if you know him.
Nicky.
Dickie.
Okay.
Yes, so
I'm not trying to best of that.
I reach you first.
Look at him, I'm nothing for.
And then you.
Me can't hold it. Me can't hold it, me guilty. It's a different sensation, which that's what I have to call Miss Taylor here, who is the president of... the president of the community chat. No, me. How many? Dickie.
No, man, Dickie me name, man.
Dickie.
Oh.
You, man.
Before I have to pull out my firearm.
I shot you. Well, I can't do that with you. Ready.
So, Dicky.
Yes, sir.
Dickie.
Alright, sir. Mr. Dicky.
Yes, sir.
Daddy, don't stop recording till boss come back in, yeah?
And